The French Alps. Just the name conjures up images of majestic, snow-capped peaks piercing the sky. Imagine crisp mountain air filling your lungs as you stand at the top of a pristine slope. This is the magic of the Alps, a winter wonderland that draws skiers and snowboarders from around the globe. From gentle, forgiving runs to world-class instructors, this iconic destination is ready to share its wonders with beginners. Imagine learning to ski against a backdrop of unparalleled beauty. The French Alps provide just that, a stunning classroom where you can master the basics while surrounded by inspiring vistas. Picture instead dedicated beginner zones designed for learning at your own pace. Here, gentle gradients and well-groomed runs become your playground, allowing you to build confidence and find your ski legs. Imagine cozy alpine villages, the air filled with the aroma of wood smoke and freshly baked bread. This is the essence of the French Alps experience, a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. When it comes to skiing, the French Alps need no introduction. They are, after all, the birthplace of alpine skiing, a place where the sport evolved from a practical means of navigating snowy mountains into a global passion. This legacy of excellence translates into an unparalleled skiing infrastructure. Think meticulously groomed slopes, state-of-the-art lift systems, and a network of resorts designed to cater to every level of skier. Imagine vast, high-altitude snowfields offering endless opportunities for off-piste adventures. Picture yourself carving down perfectly sculpted pistes, surrounded by breathtaking panoramas of towering peaks and pristine valleys. Renowned for its quality and abundance, the snow in the French Alps is the stuff of skiers' dreams. What truly elevates the French Alps experience is the seamless blend of exhilarating skiing with the charm and culture of the region. Imagine stepping off the slopes and into a world of cozy alpine villages, their streets lined with traditional chalets adorned with flower-filled balconies. The aroma of freshly baked bread and warm spices wafts from local boulangeries, inviting you to step inside and savor the simple pleasures of mountain life. Indulge in the world-renowned gastronomy, from hearty Savoyard specialties like fondue and raclette to Michelin-starred dining experiences. The French Alps are more than just a ski destination. They are an invitation to embrace a way of life. Chamonix. The very name echoes with the history of mountaineering and skiing. Towering above this charming town is Mont Blanc, the highest peak in the Alps, its glacier-clad slopes a beacon for adventurers. Now, you might be thinking, Chamonix? Isn't that for expert skiers? And while it's true that Chamonix boasts some of the most challenging off-piste skiing in the world, it's also surprisingly welcoming to beginners. Tucked away from the legendary steeps and couloirs is Les Planarts, a dedicated beginner area that's a haven for first-timers. Here, gentle gradients and wide-open spaces provide the perfect canvas for practicing those first turns. With dedicated magic carpet lifts and patient instructors, Les Planarts ensures a stress-free introduction to the joys of skiing. After a day on the snow, explore the charming streets lined with shops selling everything from high-tech ski gear to locally made chocolates. Nestled high in the heart of the French Alps, Val d'Isère is renowned for its stunning beauty and world-class skiing. But don't let its reputation as a haven for experienced skiers deter you. Val d'Isère is also a paradise for beginners, offering a dedicated learning environment that's both welcoming and inspiring. Imagine yourself in the Soleil's area, a dedicated beginner zone where gentle slopes and playful features make learning to ski a joy. Experienced and encouraging instructors are on hand to guide you through every step, from finding your balance to linking your first turns. Beyond the dedicated beginner areas, Val d'Isère offers a wealth of activities for those new to the mountains. Explore the charming village with its traditional chalets and lively après-ski scene. Choosing the right resort is essential for a successful first ski trip. While both Chamonix and Val d'Isère offer exceptional experiences for beginners, the best choice for you depends on your individual preferences and priorities. Chamonix, with its legendary status and vibrant town center, is ideal for those seeking a blend of skiing and cultural immersion. If you're looking for a more intimate atmosphere and a dedicated, beginner-friendly environment, Val d'Isère might be the perfect fit. Okay, so you've booked your dream ski trip to the French Alps, chosen the perfect resort, and maybe even started picturing yourself gracefully gliding down those pristine slopes. But hold on. Before you can carve up the powder like a pro, you need the right gear. Skiing equipment can seem like a whole other language, especially for beginners. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you and make sure you feel confident and comfortable from the moment you step off the gondola. The first big decision is whether to rent or buy your gear. For most beginners, renting is the way to go. Plus, most rental shops in the French Alps offer top-of-the-line gear that's well-maintained and tailored to your skill level. Now, let's talk specifics. What exactly do you need to hit the slopes? Think of it like dressing for a winter adventure, with a few specialized items thrown in. First up, the essentials: skis, boots, and poles. Your skis are your chariots of the snow, and getting the right size and type is crucial. Boots are equally important, providing support and control while keeping your feet warm and dry. Proper clothing is key to staying warm, dry, and comfortable. And don't forget accessories. A warm hat, gloves, and a neck gaiter are essential for keeping those extremities toasty. All right, you've got your gear sorted, you're gazing out at those majestic mountains, and you're feeling the stoke. Now, let's talk about actually skiing. The first thing to remember, especially as a beginner, is that learning to ski is a process. Embrace the learning curve and remember that every stumble, every awkward turn is a step closer to gliding down the slopes with confidence. One of the best things you can do for yourself is to sign up for a lesson with a qualified instructor. Let's be real. Falling is part of skiing, especially when you're just starting out. It's like learning to ride a bike. There will be a few scrapes along the way, but the key is to not let it discourage you. Embrace the tumbles as part of the learning process. And remember, even the most experienced skiers have had their fair share of falls. The trick is to learn how to fall safely and get back up with a smile. Skiing is an exhilarating but physically demanding sport, so it's crucial to fuel your body properly to keep your energy levels up and make the most of your time on the slopes. Start with a hearty breakfast that includes carbohydrates for sustained energy, protein for muscle power, and healthy fats for satiety. Think oatmeal with nuts and fruit, scrambled eggs with whole wheat toast, or a yogurt parfait with granola and berries. Don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day as well. And remember, those hot chocolate breaks are not just for warming up. They're also a delicious way to replenish your energy stores. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the snow-dusted peaks, a different kind of magic takes hold in the French Alps. This is the time for après-ski, a cherished tradition that celebrates the simple joys of relaxation and camaraderie after a day on the slopes. Imagine this. You've just spent the day carving your way down pristine slopes, the crisp mountain air invigorating your senses. Now, it's time to shed those ski boots and step into a world of warmth, comfort, and pure indulgence. In the French Alps, après-ski is an art form, a seamless blend of rustic charm and sophisticated pleasures. No après-ski experience is complete without indulging in the hearty and flavorful cuisine of the French Alps. Imagine a table laden with regional specialties, each dish more tempting than the last. The aroma of melted cheese, fragrant herbs, and cured meats fills the air, promising a feast for the senses. Perhaps the most iconic of all après-ski dishes is the fondue. Or maybe you'd prefer a steaming plate of tartiflette, a rich and comforting dish of potatoes, bacon, onions, and reblochon cheese, all baked to golden perfection. Timing is everything. Hitting the slopes at the right time. Picture this. You've booked your flights, secured your cozy chalet, and practically tasted that first bite of fondue. Now, let's talk about timing. The best time to ski in the French Alps is between December and March. For beginners, late January or February offers fewer crowds and excellent snow conditions. Enjoy a relaxed pace and ample space to practice. Let's sprinkle in some pro tips to ensure your French Alps ski trip is magical. Embrace early bird booking for flights, accommodation, and ski rentals. Save a bundle, especially during peak season. Check the weather forecast and dress in layers. Pack extra gloves and be prepared for sudden changes. Travel insurance is your best friend for peace of mind. Embrace local culture, explore villages, and sample regional specialties. These experiences will make your ski trip unforgettable. So, there you have it. Your beginner's guide to skiing in the French Alps. From choosing the perfect resort to mastering those first turns, gearing up like a pro, and savoring après-ski. Now, take that leap of faith and turn your ski dreams into reality. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Embrace the learning curve. Celebrate every small victory and allow yourself to be captivated by the beauty of the mountains. The French Alps are waiting to welcome you with open arms, whether you're a complete novice or simply looking to rediscover the joy of skiing. So, gather your courage, pack your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the thrill of gliding down those pristine slopes. Who knows? You might just surprise yourself with what you're capable of. Your French Alps ski adventure begins now.